welcome to day 2 harvest. So in the last video we started on our first 20 acres of soybeans. Today we're going to be hit a 70-acre farm. These are our drilled beans. We do have a fertility plot or a fertility trial-ish. I basically just skipped the pass or didn't apply our foliar fertility pass with the sprayer. So I'm looking forward to combining that to see if there's a result in this. These soybeans didn't take as much of a visual response as a lot of the other stuff did. With this farm, it's lighter ground, it's sandier soil. This stuff just ran out of moisture, and that's why I kind of think that stuff didn't necessarily get all the way into the plant like it should have, but we'll see. The beans don't look half bad. This is our only drilled farm that we've got of our own stuff. So I'll be interested. We tend to like to stick to 30-inch rows, and actually this year kind of proved to us why we do. Just they seem to be a lot healthier, a lot bigger leaves, and they kind of hold on for a little bit longer. So the drilled beans just tended to dry out really quick. So, but granted, like I said, this farm kind of ran out of moisture towards the end, and stuff just shut down because it was done. It ran out of moisture and it was starting to wrap things up. The beans do look, the kernels themselves do look pretty big from just walking around, you know, shucking some in our hands. But that's per se. I didn't really walk up onto the hill here recently and see what happened there. So could very well be just like this last field. We saw better. Granted, these were 30-inch rows. They were planted early. They sat in the ground for a long time, you know, before they came out. I have to see what truck Dad brought over. Hopefully he brought the tool truck over, because then I can throw a little fuel in the combine and wipe my windows down. We didn't get much of a dew this morning. There was a little bit, but we should be able to get cruising right away this morning. Dad's taking a truck, and yep, tool truck's here. All right, perfect. We can unload the head, check oil and all that stuff. So let's get rolling, ladies and gentlemen. This will be our first full day of harvest. Oh yeah, the sweet smell of harvest. This is my favorite time of the year. I enjoy just about everything else, but this time of year, just, you can't beat it. And we are perfect. I'm gonna lift the head up and wash the windows quick. Alright, so I'm waiting for Dad to call me here. He's gonna take the truck over to the other farm, and then I'm gonna go pick them up. So we can come over here and we're gonna get this moved, get the combine moved over, combine and head moved over, and then I'll probably get started, and then him and Jeremy will get stuff moved over there. So this field here that I'm looking at on Climate View is this one right across the ditch there. So for varieties, the headlands here and then the narrow strip that goes down to the other road are all 1204s, which those actually look pretty good on that side. I did hit this long strip along with the headlands on this field here with micronutrients, or our foliar feed pack or application. What, did we wake you up?
No, I just got off work.
Oh, how's it going?
It's going.
All right, we're gonna go pick Dad up and then probably get switched over. I'd say that this stuff should be pretty damn close to getting right or going. I don't know, those beans over there bent the stalks over and they snapped, so.
I'll just go right away this morning. Probably get the whole thing done today.
We got, what, 3 small fields on that farm to do too, so.
Yep.
I think we could get away with, well, we'll be able to jump across the road with the head on. The only time we'd have to take the head off is to get over the bridge.
Oh, yeah. Well, yeah.
So. Alright, so we're rolling here. I got a little corner out and took a round around the field up there. You can definitely see where we dried up in these fields and you can notice it, but wherever we had moisture, everything looks really good. So, like I said, this ground, you know, a lot of sand, a lot of light ground, so, and some of the rains here just weren't as timely as they should have been, so, but a lot of this will do good. It's just we're kind of taking headlands off and, you know, tall tale sign, you know. It's normal for headlands anyways not to do as good as the rest of the field, so we should get into some good stuff now. So the average moisture is about 13.7, and we're hanging around in that 12 to 13, so, which is good. We're not as dry as we were yesterday on that other field, so we're sitting good there. Alright, so giving Jeremy a little time in the combine here, and gonna take and run some cart for a little bit, get you guys some drone footage here. This farm is really pretty. There's a river running through it, and then it's a lot of trees. Old Kwanzaa hut. And this is one of those cool fields where there's one big part and then there's little offshoots in it. But I'm gonna get the drone up here and kind of enjoy this a little bit. So, but after this, we're actually going to take equipment home. We got a couple things that we need to do to the combine yet, and then it's gonna rain tomorrow, so we're just gonna do those quick things, and not really extremely daunting things, but just stuff that, you know, we want to get done. And since we got downtime, we're just gonna do it. So, but we'll see. It could very well not rain either, so. Alright, so we got done with the big field. Just moved across the road here. So, do this little 5-acre piece and then 2 more fields. Alright, we just got done here. Last field. Wraps up this farm here. So, we're headed home. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we're gonna do a little bit of catch-up maintenance on this thing. Some stuff that we kind of put off until it rained, just so we could get, you know, this 100 acres off. So.